So your canine companion has just bitten you. This might prompt a cascade of worries. Does this signify that your dog is malevolent? Has their affection for you diminished? Although dog bites can be quite severe, many instances are relatively benign. Surprisingly, there are multiple reasons why a dog might bite, and not all of them are negative. Indeed, sometimes a dog's use of their mouth can be surprisingly positive. In this article, we will explore 10 reasons why dogs may bite, ranging from the distressing to the unexpectedly favorable. But first, consider subscribing to join our community of canine enthusiasts for more invaluable tips and insights on dog care. Reason 1. Fear and anxiety. The most apparent reason behind a dog's bite often stems from fear. Just as humans may lash out when frightened, dogs exhibit similar reactions. A dog that feels cornered or threatened is more prone to bite. You can identify a frightened dog through their body language, bared teeth, raised hackles, and a menacing growl. If you notice these signs of aggression, it's prudent to de-escalate the situation by retreating slowly. Reason 2. Pain and discomfort. Just as humans can become irritable when unwell, dogs may exhibit aggression if they are in pain. If a dog seems unusually aggressive, it could be suffering from an underlying injury or discomfort. This discomfort might cause the dog to react aggressively if touched on a painful area. A dog experiencing acute pain might react defensively, explaining why they might have bitten you. Are you enjoying the video? If so, I kindly ask you to subscribe to Doggo Dreamscape and leave a like. Your support means the world to me and greatly helps the channel grow. Thank you. Reason 3. Resource guarding. Resource guarding is a troubling behavior where dogs become overly possessive of certain objects or spaces. This behavior can manifest when a dog growls or shows aggression to prevent someone from taking their belongings or invading their territory. If a hand reaches towards their prized possession, the dog might respond with a bite. To avoid such situations, avoid attempting to forcibly remove items from a dog's possession. Instead, train your dog to drop or leave it when they have something they shouldn't. Reason 4. Natural play behavior. Biting is an inherent behavior in dogs. Puppies often nip during play, learning through trial and error when their bites are too severe. They gauge their actions based on their siblings' reactions. Unfortunately, many humans lack the resilience of a puppy's playmate, so when a puppy enters a new home, they must learn how to interact appropriately with humans. Without proper training in puppyhood, some dogs may continue to exhibit biting behavior as adults, not out of malice but due to a lack of understanding. Reason 5. Mouthing behavior. Sometimes a dog might place their mouth around your arm without applying pressure, a behavior known as mouthing. Mouthing is a common displacement behavior in dogs, similar to how a child might perform a potty dance when needing to use the bathroom but lacking access to a toilet. This behavior is often a way for dogs to release excess energy or communicate, rather than a true bite. Reason 6. Breed-specific tendencies. Breed characteristics can influence a dog's likelihood to bite. Surprisingly, small breeds like Chihuahuas and Dachshunds are often more prone to biting. Similarly, certain working breeds, such as Border Collies, might display biting tendencies due to their herding instincts. These dogs, bred to herd sheep, may apply their instincts to other targets, including children, if not properly trained. Reason 7. Play versus aggression. Understanding the difference between play and aggression is crucial. Dogs naturally engage in biting and snapping during play with other dogs. If a dog is not accustomed to interacting with humans, they may inadvertently bite during play because they don't grasp the concept of human fragility. Even dogs trained to avoid play biting may occasionally lapse if they become overexcited. Reason 8. Attention-seeking behavior. Dogs, being inherently needy, often crave constant attention. If a dog feels neglected or believes they are not receiving enough attention, they might resort to attention-seeking behaviors like nipping. To correct this, it is essential to resist giving in to these behaviors. Instead, calmly address the nipping by ignoring the dog until they cease, then provide attention, praise, and possibly a treat. This approach helps the dog learn that calm behavior is the key to gaining your attention. Reason 9. Protective instincts. Historically, dogs have been pack animals, relying on their packmates for survival. In modern times, your dog perceives you as their pack, and their instinct to protect you can lead to aggressive behavior towards unfamiliar individuals. This protective instinct can manifest positively, as in the case of Axel, the British dog who defended his elderly owner from an intruder. However, this instinct can also lead to unnecessary aggression towards strangers or even family members. Additionally, mother dogs may display aggressive behavior to protect their puppies, so always approach new litters with caution. Reason 10. Affectionate nibbling. Sometimes a dog's bite is a form of affectionate communication. Known as cobbing, this behavior involves gentle nibbling that does not break the skin. Puppies often engage in this as a way of expressing affection to their litter mates. While it may not be the most pleasant experience for humans, it is generally harmless and often diminishes as dogs mature into adulthood. For further guidance on enhancing your relationship with your canine companion, explore our video on simple strategies to elevate your dog's happiness.